Today on Monday Morning Minute, we're coming off July 4th weekend, which inspired us to talk about the fact that we are made in the USA. But first, we have a question from last week. Runaway Train Productions asked us, what was the inspiration for the creation of Ventrac tractors? That's a great question, Runaway. That goes back to the 7 original brothers that started and still own this business. They had always built agricultural machines and worked around the farm, and they were inspired by big earth-moving equipment that was articulated to try and build a small tractor that was the same way, because they thought that would work really, really well. They thought, we'll build 7 of them, and we'll sell them, but if we can't sell them, then we'll just keep them for ourselves because they'll be really cool. Well, those 7 obviously sold, and they went out with mower decks and blades, and as they say, the rest is history. On to the topic for today, Made in the USA. What does Made in the USA mean? Well, that can mean different things for different companies. At Ventrac, it means we do everything right here in America. For some companies, it means maybe they assemble in America, or maybe they build machines in America, but their attachments are built somewhere else. And that's not the case with Ventrac. All of our engineering, our R&D, sales, support, everything, it happens right here, specifically in Northeast Ohio. And we're proud of that fact. And it's not just about a location for us either. Made in America is really an ideology that we try and embody. It's about what it used to mean to build things in America, the good old-fashioned American work ethic. We put that into every product that we build and sell, and we're proud to supply that to our customers. So, when you think of Ventrac, make sure you remember, truly made in America.